Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where we will learn how to use the clip tool in ArcGIS Pro. The clip tool allows you to cut one layer using another layer as a boundary. For example, if you have highways that extend across a large region but you only need the portions within a specific county, the clip tool will cut those highways at the county boundary and keep only what is inside. For this tutorial, we have two layers. The first is county boundary. The second is highways, which contains 3 roads that extend beyond the county limits. We will use the county to clip the highways. To open the clip tool, go to the Analysis tab at the top of your screen and click on Tools. This opens the geoprocessing pane. In the search box, type clip and select the clip tool from the results. The clip tool has 3 main parameters. The first is input features. This is the layer you want to clip. Select highways from the drop-down menu. The second parameter is clip features. This is the boundary layer that will cut your input. Select county boundary from the drop-down. The third parameter is output feature class. This is where you name and save your result. Click the folder icon, navigate to your geo database, and name the output something like highways clipped. Once all parameters are filled, click the Run button at the bottom of the pane. The tool will process, and when finished, a new layer called highways clipped will be added to your map. Let us examine this new layer. If you look at the original highways layer, you will see that the 3 roads extend far beyond the county boundaries in multiple directions. Now look at the highways clipped layer. You will notice that all 3 highways have been cut precisely at the county border. Highway 101, which originally ran from west to east across a large area, now only shows the segment within the county. You can open the attribute table of the new highways clipped layer to see that it contains the same attribute information as the original, but only for the segments that remain after clipping. The feature count will show 3 features because we still have 3 highway segments, but they are now shorter and confined to the county area. This is the clip tool in action. It is a fundamental tool for extracting data to your specific study area. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the clip tool in ArcGIS Pro.